All right, so this comes from the Chapter 2 closure, but it's really good fraction work, so it's good for anybody to practice. George cut his pizza up into some weird slices. Oh, no, wait. George is playing a game with a spinner, but every time I see a circle, all I think about is pizza. So George wants to know, how big is this section? Now, the problem is, well, you tell me what the problem is. When I look at these fractions over here, what's the problem? Yeah, I didn't get a chance to, I told him during class, hey, you should come to math lunch, but I didn't see him down in the cafeteria to, grab him.
I'm going to remind him he should do it, but I'm going to let him not.
Yeah, at this point, we only got 5 minutes left today. At this point, it doesn't matter. So we need to put our 2/5 and our 1/3 together to see what are we missing. Right? Because an entire thing, like an entire spinner, should equal 1. Right? It's the whole thing. So it should equal a number over the same number. Now, can I go ahead and add these fractions right now? We cannot. Tell me why we cannot. They don't have the same denominator yet. So we can fix that, though. I'm going to get all sorts of colorful to fix that. What could we make the common denominator when I have 5 and 3 to work with? Yeah, so we can just work them with each other, right? So 3 times 5 will get 15, and then I could do 5 times 3 over there. But whatever we do on the bottom, we do on the top, right? So this keeps the expression the same. It just changes what numbers we work with. So here, check it. I'm going to write this in orange because it's what we got in orange. Six 15ths and 5 15ths. Oh yeah, band instruments. If you're a band person, make sure that when we leave lunch, we go get our band instruments. So now, what do we have, Katie, when we add 6 and 5 together? 11, right? I couldn't actually hear you from over there. The cafeteria noise is starting to come in. Excuse me. I want to kind of show you what this is doing. The 2/5, if I try to show 2/5, it would look like that, right? 2/5 would be 2 sections in there, and this would just be 1/3, right? But the 2/5, what I did to it was I said every section needs to actually become 3 sections. And the 1/3, each of those sections, the third, needs to become 5. This is how I got 6 15ths plus 5 15ths. And what is left here is how many more 15ths we need to add to get to the same number on top and bottom. Well, we know it's going to need to have a common denominator. We know it needs to add up to make a giant 1. I know you guys love the giant 1. What needs added with 11 to make 15? 4. Yeah, so the missing section, must be 4 15ths. Be careful, we need the whole fraction. So 4 15ths is missing. Other ones you want to do? We got 4 minutes left. Guys, if either of the other ones of you need... So I'm trying to use names less because I'm recording. Either of you guys need closure, pull out the Chapter 2 closure if that's not been turned in yet. I'm let's see if there's any questions on there we need to do together. You can see what I wrote out for 133 here. I will tell you that in 132, all we're wondering is what other step does Cecil need in order to get back to where he started. I like to do zeros first. So, like, -5 and +5, that's 0. +7, -7, that's 0. +8 and -8, that's 0. Ooh, you can't see what I'm doing. So the only number I actually have left is this 6. So what do I need in order to get back to the starting point? I need to go 6 backwards.
I just have a question.
Yeah.
In last 2 minutes, can you help me with something on the math test?
Yeah, I can just stop this and come back there right now.